Here we are.
Like we've waited for this moment forever.
I forgot my keys.
Only joking.
Are you ready? Here we go. Yeah. Hold on a minute.
Oh, what? Ta-da!
Very soon.
For 7 years, you've watched me create crochet tutorials to share with the world. Now, after hours and hours of creating crochet tutorials in my spare room at home, I've decided to jump into the deep end and get our very own dream office. This is the story of myself, Sarah-Jayne, and the Bella Coco team taking a big leap. This is Bella Coco, the next chapter.
So we're in, and it's just a matter of getting organised because there is so much to do, but I still have to continue to film my videos and get out content, so it's just a bit manic at the moment, but I'm just so glad to be here and getting everything organised. It's so exciting. It's something that I have dreamed of for such a long time, and I just can't believe it's finally here.
I'm Nicola, I'm Head of Content at Bella Coco Crochet. So I helped Sarah-Jayne plan out social media, blog posts, what video tutorials are coming up, and
Keeps me organised.
oh, and keeps Sarah-Jayne organised. Okay, so once we've sorted all this out, because it's unorganised chaos at the moment, we need to fit all of this in here. And I'm not sure it's going to fit, but we're going to have to make it fit because this is the only storage we have. So maybe some vacuum bags are needed for the yarn. Sarah-Jayne.
So this is the outside, and I cannot wait for summer because I know I'm going to be out here having my lunch, looking out at this gorgeous canal, and this building as well is just so amazing. This is an old mill. It's now actually apartments, but I just love this whole area. It's just got such a beautiful feel. And come down here. My husband is absolutely going to love this. It has a putting green. So I think my husband's going to be coming down and getting his golf practice in. How cool is that? A week in my life is basically juggling children for a start. I actually have 2 days a week to get things sorted at the moment, which is a bit of a struggle, but you know, you got to do what you got to do. And Tuesdays and Thursdays are my time to film, so I get all of my content done and all of the planning for things like future collections, getting all the swatches ready, and yeah, just generally getting organised.
Shall we sort out some of these boxes that look a little bit unorganised?
Yeah.
This
What's
is
in here?
Not quite sure.
Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
I think that was the shoot when we was planning something.
This was just before we shot some images for the ebook.
Was it?
Yeah, I'm sure it was. Oh my goodness!
Look at all that yarn.
That is hilarious. So this is when we launched Bella Coco store, and that yarn was all in my spare room. It literally took up the whole. What are these pictures? Is this the ones that never got seen box?
Yeah, well, I was like, just get in the blossom, let's get a nice spring photo.
Oh my goodness. Oh, such happy memories. That one needs to go. That one needs to go somewhere.
That's got to be the opening of the box.
That one could be a YouTube thumbnail.
It could, yeah.
Oh, and then this is all of the samples from YouTube videos.
YouTube.
Yeah, look, they're the granny square ones.
No
They were the
way.
first ever crochet video.
I
on
think
the
we
channel.
need these out somewhere, don't we?
Oh, we should put them in one of those box frames.
Definitely.
Oh, there's so much stuff in here, it's unreal. But I can't get rid of them. I just can't.
No.
It's too many memories. Yeah. Oh. So this was one of the first projects that I did with crochet. So cute.
I was just looking at me through the box. I was like, oh,
Hello.
you've got my eyes. Oh my God, look at his mouth.
Why did I make that?
Sarah always puts 100% into anything she does. So I knew that eventually it'd progress and progress. And she got really good at it. So, yeah, really proud of her.
Let's go meet the neighbours.
Oh, okay.
Hello. I'm Sarah-Jayne. We've just moved in.
Okay.
We just wanted to come and say
Hi,
hello.
Daniel.
Hi,
Hi, Daniel.
This is Nicola and Jackie. We just wanted to come and say hello. What do you do here?
Do RC car stuff.
Oh,
Race RC cars. And,
Oh, cool.
sailboats.
can we have a look?
Yeah, cool.
Oh wow,
It's a bit of a-
this is cool. This looks
crikey.
organised.
This is nice and cozy.
Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
wow.
Look at those. Oh wow.
Maybe we could have a Bella Coco car.
Yes, we need one.
These are incredible.
This is so cool. How long have you been doing this for?
We've been here about 6 years. I've been doing this since I was about 11.
Really?
No way.
Like super passionate about it.
Yeah,
then.
yeah.
Amazing.
That's so cool.
We can get one out if you want.
Can we?
Yeah, let's see one in
We'll have
action.
to do the electric one because
Yes.
this would just be too loud.
Okay.
This is an electric one.
What's your awards for?
Just for being so good.
I love that.
Yes.
For being amazing.
The loud
And more there, look. Oh,
Don't lift them ones. Right. So everyone. Let's go and smash in some cars.
You
I'll
could
just-
chase that car out the car park.
Whoa! I honestly can't believe how my heart's pounding.
When I said chase that car out, I was joking and it just went wheel. I was like, oh my God. What have I suggested?
Oh my goodness me,
Oh,
that's brilliant.
wow. Thank you so much for showing us. Oh. Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you.
It's nice meeting you, Daniel.
See you soon.
Bye.
Oh my God. You hid behind the door. Right, let's get cracking.
Yeah, let's get on.
So it's great being in, but I literally have so much to do. I have a video to film for the channel, I have the subscription boxes to film, and that's not even thinking about the blog. The move's going really well, but there is just so much stuff everywhere. I am a bit of a hoarder. I do like to keep hold of everything. So we've got to wade through all of that, try and get it in the cupboard, if it will fit, fingers crossed. Yeah, just so much to do. So I met Nicola through a mutual friend, how many years ago now? It was
Easily
probably
10
when I
years.
first started the blog, when
Yeah.
I'd probably been doing it for a year or two, and it was more the lifestyle blog that I was doing as well.
Yeah.
So I asked you to, if you wanted to do some photos,
Yeah.
and then we did that, didn't we? That seems like so long ago.
Was that like 2013, I think?
Mm-hmm.
So like 9 years ago.
Yeah. And at that point, I told Nicola that one day she was going to work for me.
Yeah. You did?
Yeah.
Because we got on so well.
And at that point I said, one day there will be Bella Coco Studios.
Yes.
You're going to be working for me and it's going to be so fun.
And I was like, yeah, whatever.
And here we are.
9 years later.
That's so cool. I started crocheting probably because every night in my house there was a green screen. And by that I mean football, golf, any type of sport, which my husband loved. I'd just finished my teaching qualification, so I found myself with loads of free time that I never had before. So I picked up a crochet hook. I'd done knitting before when I was younger, which mainly consisted of doing never-ending scarves because I never knew how to cast off. And then I just started crocheting because I saw people doing it on Instagram. I thought I'm going to give that a go. And here we are today. It's crazy.
So Sarah absolutely hates pigeons. So we're going to hide a little pigeon up there. And yeah, let's wait until she sees him. We're just settling into our desk.
You are.
Oh my God, what's
Oh,
that?
what?